Welcome, and what are your impressions about the event so far?
Yeah, it's great. It's been really insightful. We've had a really good panel this morning. Yeah. I found it really interesting as well. We've been talking about brand safety, measurability, viewability, and some really big issues that are in the industry right now that a lot of brands are facing. So yeah, it's been very, very interesting.
Just a minute ago, you were in the panel with brand safety issues. What was the most interesting thing you heard?
Well, there's definitely a debate around context versus the audience, which is always an interesting subject. But yeah, it's really good to see it from kind of a brand perspective and an agency perspective, and from media owner as well. I was actually going to say the same thing, audience versus context, just because in the UK right now we're having a lot of changes with GDPR. And so it's interesting to see how brands, how agencies are adapting their strategies and adapting the way they're measuring success, and just generally how we're kind of coping with the change with audience versus contextual targeting. So, yeah.
Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow.